Howard University President Wayne Frederick arrived to the university's School of Business to deliver his Spring 2022 State of the University Address. President Frederick was joined by students, staff, and faculty as he offered his reflections on the opportunities and challenges facing the university. President Frederick covered many topics during his presentation, such as campus safety and wellness, new construction and facility upgrades, financial sustainability, and commencement updates.
We have a couple other things that are going on that will help with housing as well. For those who want to live off campus but stay close, want to be in an apartment style residence, we have the Effingham Apartments on Georgia Avenue, and construction has taken place. I believe they're doing the demolition.
The address concluded with President Frederick speaking on his plans to retire in 2024 and a question and answer portion led by the Howard University community.
I was very happy to hear all of the exciting news about the future of Howard University, hearing specifically about the real estate developments that helps us build upon the academic excellence that our campus offers.
Howard University President Wayne Frederick addressed many concerns of the Howard University community today during his State of the University address. He made sure to put emphasis on how the university continues to fulfill its mission. I'm Raven Hardwick with HU News Vision.